Hello and welcome to this short video, an introduction to the Leader Zen series LV5300. My name is Kevin Salvage. I'm the European Regional Development Manager for Leader based in London in the UK. And if you have any questions concerning this presentation or any of the Leader products, please don't hesitate to contact me on the numbers currently on the screen. The Leader Zen series consists of 5 products, and today we're going to focus on the LV5300 3G HD SD SDI waveform monitor. The LV5300 waveform monitor is half 19-inch rack unit in width and 3 rack units in height, making it ideal for onset production with the increased demand for UHD and HDR content. The unit is also ideally suited for vision engineering positions in both studio and OB trucks, as well as HDR supervisor positions where the monitoring of both HDR and SDR signals is critical. It's also useful in the engineering in charge position where you're monitoring not only the picture quality but also the physical quality of the signals. The units are also extremely popular in post-production for QC and logging, and also in MCR for QC. The unit comes with a full 1920 by 1080 7-inch LCD touch panel display. But for those who don't like the touch panel, this can be switched off, and we have hardware buttons on the front panel. Mains on off is via the front panel switch. The input, the device has 2 3G inputs which can be displayed individually or simultaneously. External reference, the device supports both back and burst and tri-level sync. System setup, capture, via a USB memory stick, the device can capture a frame of active video or a screenshot. Memory allows the operator to save up to 60 configured settings for the device, and recall allows those 60 to be recalled, and shortcut allows you to jump straight through to the menu setting of your choice. Display modes of waveform, vector, picture, audio, status and eye can be accessed via the front panel, and there is also a multi-display allowing simultaneous display of measurement tools. 3 knobs allow the adjustment of cursors on the tester measurement tools, 2 USB ports and 1 headphone jack socket. On the rear of the unit there are 2 3G SDI inputs, and input 1 also supports eye and jitter capabilities. If the unit has the SCR28, 4K, UHD, 12G and 6G license, that will also support 12G operation. There are 2 reclocked loop-through outputs, and SDI output 1, again with the SCR28 license, will support up to 12 gig operation, and SDI output 2, as well as reclocking the loop-through output of input 2, can also display a monitor output, which means the waveform monitor's display can be routed via the house router to any external display monitor, and also a test pattern generator, if that license has been purchased, can be displayed via this port. DC power input, external sync reference input, remote 15-pin D-sub, and Ethernet for Telnet, SNMP and HTTP. All of the Leader Zen series products come with an ordering guide flowchart, which allows you to step through the requirements and build the correct bill of materials. Items in red are hardware licenses. Items in yellow are software licenses that can be added as a post-delivery modification without the unit having to be returned to a Leader service centre. The LV5300 as standard supports eye pattern and jitter measurement via SDI input 1. It also supports an AC adapter, and for those who don't need the AC power adapter, there is also a DC adapter, the SCR11 for V-mount battery types and the SCR12 for the QR Gold, also known as Anton Bauer. There was also a rack mount kit allowing two LV5300s to be rack mounted side by side, or one with a blanking panel. Software licenses. As standard, the LV5300 will display level meters for 8 channels of embedded audio. With the SCR20 audio analysis function, you also get status, surround and licitude displays. Closed caption analysis, SCR21, superimposes closed caption information on top of the picture, and this supports SMPTE, Arab and teletext. SCR22 is the CIE colour chart, and this shows the luminance component based upon the CIE colour chart and will display 709, DCI-P3 or Rec 2020 colour space. SCR23 is the high dynamic range license and uses Leader's Cinezone HDR false colour display to display S-Log3, hybrid log gamma, PQ, C-Log or log C transfer characteristics. SCR24 is an SDI test pattern generator which includes a lip sync test pattern for audio-visual timing, and the SDI output can be routed through the facility and brought back into the LV5300 for measurement and display and fault finding. SCR25 is the focus assist, and this provides a false colour display allowing accurate focusing of the image, and this is really useful as we move into the world of 4K and UHD content. SCR26 is the customizable layout option, and by connecting a USB mouse you can bring up a multi-viewer type display that allows you to size and position up to 16 windows on the display. SCR27 is the camera ID, iris and tally interface, and this is really useful in a studio environment where the vision engineers don't need to bother the production staff knowing what's on air, what's coming next on air, or camera information, because it's all displayed on the waveform monitor. SCR28 is the 4K UHD 12G/6G SDI license, and this allows you to monitor a UHD and 4K signals on the LV5300. And finally, the extended vector display, SCR40, is for those customers who need more information than the traditional vector display. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. If you like this video, please indicate that, and also subscribe to the channel where we'll be adding more videos very shortly.